Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak and this is Daily Quant with Deepak.
Hello all, welcome back to day 31 of 100 days to CAT Quant series. In this video, we will be discussing 5 questions from algebra. So whenever a question is displayed on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question. Once you're done solving, you can resume the video. And if you find this video useful, like the video, share this video with your friends who are preparing for CAT 25. And more importantly, for more videos of this kind, please subscribe to our channel. And in case if you want to attempt these questions as a test, you can log into our portal, the gurukul.org.in, where you need to sign up and then re-log in, so that you will get access to a course called 100 days race to CAT, in which there are 3 sections: quant, LRDI and VRC. We will be uploading 100 tests in each section. So consider this to be your last mile of preparation for CAT 25. And if you are a serious CAT 2025 aspirant, you cannot afford missing these tests. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now coming to the first question, in the xy plane, the area of the region bounded by the graph mod x plus 1 plus mod of mod y plus 1 is equal to 2 is, right? So first I want you guys to understand that the graph of mod a plus mod b is equal to k looks like a diamond, right, or a sphere which is rotated by 45 degrees. So here we are given with the value of k is equal to 2, the value of a is equal to x plus 1, and value of b is equal to mod y plus 1, right? Now let's try to find the integral values of a and b which satisfy this equation, and let's try to plot these points in the xy plane, right? Okay, right. Now first, what is the minimum value of b? B is nothing but mod y plus 1, right? So b cannot be less than 1, right? So the minimum value of b is 1 when y is equal to 0, right? Okay. Now if this is 1, this also should be 1. Now mod a should be equal to 1. So that will be possible when a is equal to 1 or a is equal to minus 1. Now for a to be 1, what should be the value of x? 0, right? And for a is equal to minus 1, the value of x has to be minus 2. And the corresponding value of y to be when b will be equal to 1 when y is equal to 0. Right. So we have 2 points here, 0 comma 0, nothing but origin, and minus 2 comma 0, a point on negative x axis, minus 2 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 0. Done. Now let's look at the other possibility, right? We are done with 1 1. Now let me consider 0 2. That means a has to be 0 and mod b has to be 2, right? Now when can mod y plus 1 is equal to 2? Now that means mod y should be equal to 1. So y has to be plus or minus 1. So y can be plus 1 or minus 1, right? For a to be 0, x has to be minus 1. So here we got 2 more points, minus 1 1, right? So minus 1 1, and we have one more point, minus 1 minus 1, right? So let me close these 4. Now we have a diamond and we are asked to find the area which is enclosed between these 4, right? Now let me join these 2. Now the length of this diagonal is 2 because minus 1 2 1, and the length of this diagonal is also 2, and they are perpendicular to each other. The formula to calculate the area of this quadrilateral or rhombus would be half into d1 into d2, which is half into 2 into 2. So the area should be 2 square units. Now coming to the second question, log of x minus 16, x minus 10, x minus 2 is equal to x minus 17 into 16 minus x into x minus 14 log 0.5, right? So we have log of x minus 16 into x minus 10 into x minus 2 is given to be x minus 17 into 16 minus x into x minus 14 log 0.5. Okay, I will write this as 1 by 2, right? Now So log x minus 16 into x minus 10 into x minus 2 is equal to n log x can be written as log x to the power n. So this will be log, I'll be writing 1 by 2 as 2 power minus 1, right, to the power x minus 17 into 16 minus x into x minus 14, right. Now we have log on both sides. For these two values to be equal, x minus 16 into x minus 10 into x minus 2 should be equal to 2 power minus 1. Let me multiply minus 1 with 16 minus x, that becomes x minus 17 into x minus 16 into x minus 14. Now once you have this, you can just, the easiest way to solve this question is by replacing the values of x with 10, 2, 20 and 18. Right. Now let me replace the value of x with 18. So 18 minus 16, 2 into 18 minus 10, 8 into 18 minus 2, 16, right. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 cube into 2 power 4, which is nothing but 2 power 8. And let's see what do we get here. 18 minus 17, 1, 18 minus 16, 2, 18 minus 14, 4. So 1 into 2 into 4, 2 power 8, right. So the answer for this question should be option D, 18, right. So once you're done till here, the easiest way is to replace the values of x with the options given. Now coming to the third question, x square, y square, z square are in AP. So we have x square, y square, z square are in AP, and given that x not equal to y not equal to z, then y plus z, z plus x and x plus y now are in AP, GP, HP, none of this. Alright. Now, if x square, y square, z square are in arithmetic progression, so 2y square should be equal to x square plus z square. Now let me add 2xy, 2xz, 2zy to both sides. So you'll be having 2y square plus 2xy plus 2zx plus 2yz is equal to x square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2zx plus 2yz. So between these two terms, let me take 2y common. Then what do we have? Y plus z plus. Between these two, let me take 2x common. If I take 2x common, you have y plus z. Now let me take 2 into y plus z common. So if I take 2 into y plus z common, now you will be left with x plus y on the left hand side part. Now coming to the right hand side, we have x square plus z square plus 2zx. So this is nothing but expansion of x plus z whole square plus we have 2xy plus 2yz. Then here I can take 2y common. So we have x plus z whole square plus if I take 2y common, you will be having 2y into x plus z. So if I take x plus z common, so x plus z into x plus z plus 2y. Now what I will do is I will write this as x plus z into, you have x plus y plus y plus z, right. I'll be splitting 2y as y plus y and I'll be rewriting this as x plus y plus y plus z, right. Now let me erase this part. So we have 2 into y plus z into x plus y is equal to x plus z into x plus y plus z, right. Then let me bring x plus z to left hand side. So you'll be having 2 by x plus z, and let me shift these two terms to right hand side. So you'll be having x plus y plus y plus z by y plus z into x plus y, right? So let me rewrite this as 2 by x plus z is equal to x plus y by y plus z into x plus y. I can cancel these two and you are left with 1 by y plus z plus y plus z by y plus z into x plus y. I can cancel these two and you are left with 1 by x plus y. So if 2 by x plus z is equal to 1 by y plus z plus 1 by x plus y, that means y plus z, x plus z and x plus y are in harmonic progression. Hence option C should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the next question, what is the number of distinct terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z plus w power 12? Now if you are asked to find the number of distinct terms in the expansion of a polynomial in the form a plus b plus c plus d power n, having 4 terms raised to the power n, then the number of terms would be n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 6. So here the value of n is 12. So 12 plus 1 13 into 12 plus 2 14 into 12 plus 3 15 by 6. So 3 twos, 3 fives, 2 sevens. So 7 fives 35. So 35 into 13, 35 into 10, 350, 35 into 3, 105. So 455 should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the last question, if the roots of the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 26x plus b is equal to 0 are integers, then which of the following can be the value of b? Right. Now let me consider alpha, beta and gamma to be the 3 roots of this equation. So sum of the roots taken one at a time, alpha plus beta plus gamma, should be equal to minus b by a, minus of minus 9 by 1, 9. Now sum of the roots taken two at a time, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. Now this should be equal to c by a, 26 by 1, so 26. Now using these two, we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Right. Now what is 9 square? 81 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into 26. Right. So 2 into 26 is 52. 81 minus 52. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square should be equal to 81 minus 52, which is 29. Now sum of the squares of 3 terms should be 29. I can write 29 as 25 plus 4. Right? Now 25 is nothing but plus or minus 5 whole square. Plus or minus 5 whole square. And I can write 4 as plus or minus 2 whole square. And let the third root be 0. 0 square. Now this is one possibility. Now I can write 25 as 3 square plus 4 square. And that means plus or minus 3 whole square plus plus or minus 4 whole square plus plus or minus 2 whole square, right? So these three also add up to 29, right? But to cross verify, we are also given that the sum of these three roots should be 9, so they have to be positive only, right? Now 5 plus 2 plus 0, this is 7, not 9, so hence can be eliminated. Now what is 3 plus 4 plus 2, right? So this is 9. So hence the roots are 3, 4 and 2, right? So if the roots are 3, 4 and 2, what should be the product of the roots? 3 into 4 into 2, which is 24. Now what is product of the roots? Minus b by a. So minus b by 1 minus b is equal to 24, or b has to be minus 24. Hence the answer for this question should be option A.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share
Sabarakai,
and subscribe.